Okay, good morning everybody.
Good morning everybody.
We're already again. It was a really cold night. It's like so crazy. She was like shivering all night.
Yeah, really. I had normally I just put a pajama, like a shirt and shorts. But now I had to put like a vest on because it was so cold.
Yeah, it's crazy, right? But look outside, like it's so fresh, so cold.
It's not humid.
Yeah, it's not humid. It's really nice. Yeah, it's like the water is fresh here.
Yeah.
Everything is so nice here. Like.
Also, the rooms has no aircon.
Yeah, there's no air conditioning. Yeah, I guess there's no air conditioning anywhere here. Like. Actually, I heard so many stories that like it's cold in Baguio, and then I always thought like, nah, it's not cold. It's like maybe it's like a little bit fresh or something. But now we're actually here. We can definitely say
it is cold.
Really cold here.
It's really
no joke.
I like the Netherlands because the Dutch temperature is
like this
like
temperature.
This.
And let's see what we can do here in the area. We might ask like somebody who works here at the hotel because we don't know anything what to do here.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's go. Welcome back in the car. We found some things to do. We found a few places, as we said, like a nice place to eat or like have a little snack, like really artsy places. And then we also found the Baguio Public City Market or something, which we're headed at right now. We hope it's like a little bit with roofs or something, so we can walk under it like that we don't get wet from all the rain. Otherwise we just, you know,
because it's raining pretty hard.
It's raining pretty hard, but yeah, let's just go to the market and yeah, drive over there and we'll see you there.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay guys, so we're now driving to the market, and this is like I can't believe that we're actually using the heater of the car. Like, it's crazy. It's so crazy that we're using this. But the streets are really nice here in Baguio. It's raining, but all the streets are like different levels, going up and down. Really nice here. So we're almost at the market. I guess almost 5 minutes. So
yes.
Yeah, I'm wondering what we'll see there.
Apparently it is very big. It goes all the way to the back. It's so huge.
Big. It's actually like really cool. I guess you can just weigh your vegetables over here when you buy them. It's like super cool, super old school, super nice.
Chinese checker.
Chinese checker. Okay.
Chinese checker. Oh.
Wait, I will move.
Oh.
Nice.
Wow, amazing. Nice.
When you go to Banawi, you can see our 8th wonder of the world, the rice terraces.
Okay.
Oh wow.
When you go home, you save, then you come next year.
Okay, yeah, thank you.
But do not forget to come to the market.
No. Okay, thank you very much.
We will be here again.
Okay, we'll definitely come back to Baguio, so definitely.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you very much, thank you. Yeah, it's fresh.
And it smells really good.
I wonder if they like actually eat them here. I don't know. I don't know what's the purpose of this. Like,
Of course they're eating them.
yeah, but I mean, like, do they sell them here? Do they just kill and eat them here, or?
Yeah, you can ask.
Look, there's some dead over there. Look. Wait. Come on.
I hope they're okay
Yeah.
with filming.
Wow. Yeah.
Until the blood will gonna extract in the wings. See that blood in the wings? It's gonna go. After we pick it, we're gonna until the chicken gonna done. It's our traditional.
Traditional here in Baguio, or?
Yes, here in Cordillera.
Okay. It's like for the taste or something, or?
Yes, so that the blood inside of the chicken will
Spread.
extract. No, it's
It goes fast, or?
no. What do you call that?
Like adrenaline.
So that it's gonna extract in the wings, in the neck.
Ah, okay, really crazy. Yeah. And so they hit the chicken, then they put on the fire,
Yes.
and then prepare and eat.
Yes, after they burn it, they will
Chop it.
But do they die from the hitting or do they die from?
it depends.
Depends.
Oh,
If the customer gonna remove the blood or
But how long do they hit? Like
until the chicken will die.
until the chicken dies. Okay, this area. What are this chicken? They are sold to people here, or like they sell this chicken here, or?
Yes.
You can buy one whole chicken.
how much is one chicken?
Kilo. Per kilo.
Oh, per kilo.
110 per kilo.
110.
110.
Per
Like
kilo.
if a big one, it costs 380, 400 like that.
Yeah.
The smaller one, 350, 300.
And it includes the process.
No,
Like the
if they're
the
gonna burn it,
You pay extra.
plus 20.
service.
20.
20 pesos.
Ah.
If you gonna chop it, plus 10.
Plus
Ah,
that.
alright.
Oh, really?
Plus 30 pesos.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
Oh, look inside. Yeah. Oh, they're flame. It's crazy. Oh, they burn the feathers off.
They're gonna pick it. The blood will,
By hand.
the blood will gonna extract here.
Oh, okay, like that.
Here.
But I guess a lot of people, they don't like this, you know, because maybe
From
they have problem with this because it's for the chicken, you know, they hit. It has a lot of pain, you know. But then it's a tradition here,
from
right?
what? From Muslim.
Muslim people,
They don't like that.
they don't like this, yeah.
Even the people from Manila. they don't
Manila,
like that.
yeah. So crazy, yeah.
To in the ear.
Okay, now they slice it. Okay. Okay, so first they hit the chicken, then they burn it, and then slice. Ah, okay. Okay. Kuya, anong pangalan mo?
Victor.
Victor.
Native chicken, 45 days, calves. In Bicol, the little big one.
Okay guys, so that was quite strange to see.
Yeah, it was really
nevertheless, it is very educational. It was very hard to see like the chicken being hit all the time.
It was so difficult for me because when you was hitting the chicken, you heard the chicken.
You heard the chicken
screaming, crying from pain, and until it fainted away or died right away. I don't know. I felt like crying really because it was not easy to look at it. But
nevertheless, you know, let's just keep opinions aside, you know, like, oh, I'm very pro this, anti this. Let's just see this as an educational video, more like I'll just show you what they do here. I hope you learned something by watching this.
We just want to let you see this is the
way they do it here in Baguio,
the traditional Baguio chicken.
How they prepare the chicken here.
How they prepare it and how they sell it. So
yeah, for now it's raining really hard. It's like extreme rain. We were actually planning on going to
the tree hut.
Walk to the tree house, but then you know this rain started, so you know, or we buy like something against the rain, umbrella.
Yeah, but it's like raining.
It's like crazy hard now, so I guess we're stuck at the market right now. It's raining so hard that we're actually thinking about just dropping the gimbal inside the bag. Buy umbrellas and walk to the car maybe, and then shelter somewhere because it's crazy hard rain. So guys, so we bought like 2 umbrellas. This is crazy rain. It's already getting a little bit less. My shoes are all really wet.
Look at the water, like
the water's flowing, like it's like almost like typhoonish. It's crazy, really hard wind. It's getting less, it's getting better, but we're going to the car now. And hope we can find another shelter that's a little bit more nice than this one. So yeah, let's walk. Okay guys, we finally arrived at the parking garage. So bad weather, but we'll survive. And for the people that are wondering like how much parking is here in the parking garage here in Baguio, it is, what is it? 35 pesos for the first 2 hours.
Yes.
And after the first 2 hours, it's 25 pesos for every succeeding hour. So it's quite okay.
It's doable.
Yeah, it's doable. And it's a very neat and very modern parking garage. So we arrived at the parking lot in the car finally. But then we saw that we wanted to go to the Ililika Artist Village. That was like the tree hut where we talked about. And I don't know if you can see it on camera.
It is just around the corner.
But it is just around the corner of where we parked our car. So
we're gonna
that means that we are
step out of the car again
and take a walk. Yeah, so stupid. But then, you know, in the rain, it's very hard to look on your phone. The only thing we thought about is let's keep this umbrella above our head.
It's very chaotic.
Let's protect the camera for the rain.
People walking on the streets.
Yeah, it's
with
so chaotic.
umbrellas.
So the first time we actually could pick up the phone, like good was now, and then we just see it's around the corner, which is also good news because we don't have to find a new parking spot, right? So
yeah, let's go.
Actually, it's positive news. So let's go again and walk.